Sienna's opening a gift from a store called Lively. It's from Stockholm, Sweden, but the store itself is in New York City. So, pull the ribbon up. Pull the ribbon. There we go. There we go. Pull this ribbon up. Okay. Oh, let me see. Oh, look at that. Let's see what you got. Oh, look at this dress. It has birds on them. So pretty. It's a long sleeve dress with birds. And yeah, look at that. What do you like? Do you like it? It's pretty, right, Sienna? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And look at the back too. Very simple. It's a cotton long sleeve dress